Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Before we dive into the login process, let's understand the admin dashboard. This dashboard serves as the control center for allowing administrators to oversee and manage crucial components such as clusters, projects, and users. Now let's explore how administrators can log in and unleash the full potential of the admin dashboard. Now let's log in to the admin dashboard. To log in to the admin dashboard, administrators need to visit the BitBlast login page. Here they will input their authorized credentials, a secure username and password for admins. This ensures that only authorized personnel gain access to the powerful administrative features of BitBlast. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.